x square have the derivative. That's why 9 minus x square let it be t. So let 9 minus x square is equal to t. 9 derivative 0 minus 2x by the exact derivative. Dx should be write down into dt. Dx should be write down into dt. Dx should be write down into dt. Is it clear? When charting is came. So son 9 4x 9 minus 4x square, right? Let it be 4x square, let it be t. So immediately x square derivative is the 2x minus 4 into 2x. So dx is equal to dt by minus 8x. Write down everyone. Integral of x, denominator is the t, dx is the dt by 8 minus 8x term should be cancelled, constant take outside, minus 1 by 8, integral of 1 by t into dt. 1 by t we have the exact integration, 1 by x integration. So variable is the t with respect to t, variable is the with respect to x, 1 by x integration is the log x. With respect to t, variable is the 1 by t will become as a log t. Therefore, minus 1 by 8 into log t plus c. So now integration is completed. In place of t, write down the original function. In place of t, write down the original function. What is the original function? Is minus 1 by 8 log of t means 9 minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square plus c is the required answer. Is it clear? So regarding no problem regarding board, we are seeing very clearly now everyone. Right. Can I go through the next problem? 16th problem. Right. Write down the 16th problem. 16th problem. Integral of e power of 2x plus 3 into dx. This can be do in the two methods. Already you know that by the chain rule method also we can do, by the substitution method also we can do. First I will do the substitution method because of we are in the substitution. Next I will do the chain rule method also. Okay na? So first one, substitution is here only 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, derivative is the 1, already 1 into dx we have, no 1 means, therefore 2x plus 3 let it be as a dt. Okay, right? 2x plus 3, derivative is 1, already without factor means 1 is the least factor already we have. Therefore 2x plus 3 let it be t and work out. So 2x plus 3 let it be, let 2x plus 3 is equal to t, 2 coefficient x derivative 1 by the exact derivative dx, t derivative is the itself is the dt, dx is equal to dt by t. Right, everyone substitute in this one, integral of e power of t, dx is the dt by 2. 1 by 2 is the coefficient outside, 1 by 2 coefficient outside, integral of e power of t into dt. Variable is the t, e power of t derivative with respect to variable is the t, e power of x integration with respect to x, variable is the dx, e power of x into dx is the e power of x, variable is the t. Then e power of t integration is also same e power of t. Therefore e power of t plus c. Now integration is completed. Write down the t place t original value 1 by 2 e power of 2x plus 3 plus c. This is the one model. by the substitution. No, without substitution also we can do. What is the second method is, everyone see, chain rule. E power of 2x plus 3. E power of 3x into dx. Okay, now by the chain rule. E integration, first integration, next chain rule derivative. E exponential function, first we can do the e power of 2x plus 3. E is the good function, therefore same we can get e power of 2x plus 3 by chain rule. E completed. Chain rule is the 2x plus 3 derivative denominator, because of integration is the anti. 2x plus 3 derivative plus c, right? E power of 2x plus 3 derivative is the 2 coefficient, x derivative 1, 3 constant, derivative is the 0 plus c. Same answer we can get, no doubt about it. By the substitution method, by the chain rule method, whatever method we can apply, we get the same answer. Okay, na? Right, I go through the 17th problem. 17th problem. Integral of x by e power of x square into dx. Now we can, what derivative we have easily identify. So x derivative is not a e power of x square. X derivative is not a x square. X square derivative is the 2x, already we have x. Constant not possible, not important. So x variable we have. Immediately x square let it be t. Okay na? X square derivative we have x. Therefore x square derivative is actually 2x. So constant is not considered. So constant may be have, may not be have, no problem. But its variable is the compulsory. Okay na? Its variable is the compulsory. Therefore x square derivative is the 2x. Already x variable we have. That's why x square let it be t. Right? Start everyone. Let x square is equal to t. 2x dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt by 2x. So immediately here, don't apply the chain rule. Here, why I am going to apply the chain rule means it is a single function, linear function. That's why I will apply the chain rule. It is a linear function, but it is not a linear function. It is a quadratic. X square is the quadratic function. Quadratic function never becomes into the chain rules. Okay na? So it's a derivative we have. That's why compulsory we can apply the substitution method. Don't go through the chain rule method. Okay na? Chain rule method means first we can apply the u by v formula. In integration there is no u by v formula. Okay na? Right. Integral of x e power of t dx is the dt by 2x. One x variable cancel, 1 by 2 outside. Integral of 1 by e power of t into dt. Reciprocal function, power should be write down negative. E power of minus t into dt, right? Now apply the integration. So e is a good function. E is a good boy. E power of integration is the e power of minus t, no change. But minus t, it is not a plus t. With respect to plus t we are doing. So the integration with respect to, so variable is the plus t, but we have the minus t. So that's why minus t chain rule in denominator. Minus t chain rule in denominator. Right? Derivative of plus t with to the minus t plus t. Therefore 1 by 2 e power of minus t by minus 1 plus t. Right? T means write down everyone. What is the t value should be write down? We are doing the integration with respect to the variable of plus t. Variable of plus t. But we have the minus t. That's why minus t chain rule should be write down in the denominator. because of t is a linear function. That's why we are applying the chain rule. Quadratic means we never apply the chain rule. Right. Everyone go through the 18th problem. First go through the 18th problem. Integral of e power of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. Immediately we get idea. What is the idea is, tell me. Tan inverse x derivative is, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square already we have. So immediately tan inverse x let it be t. So substitution method is, what function have the derivative? That function let it be t. Its derivative part should be cancelled. Okay, na? Tan inverse x have the derivative. What is the derivative of tan inverse x is? 1 by 1 plus x square. Already 1 by 1 plus x square we have. Immediately tan inverse x let it be t. First begin with tan inverse x derivative have. That's why let it be t. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to 1 plus x square into dt. Right, substitution. E power of t by 1 plus x square. Dx means 1 plus x square into dt. Immediately the derivative part should be cancelled. Okay, na? E power of t integration is the same e power of t plus c. T means write down the tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, na? Right, 19th problem. First one, 19th problem, everyone. 19th problem. Integral of e power of 2x minus 1 by e power of 2x plus 1 into dx. E power of 2x minus 1 by e power of 2x plus 1. So here, observe the 19th problem. By the observation of the 19th problem, e power of 2x minus 1 is not a e power of 2x plus 1. E power of 2x plus 1 derivative is not a e power of 2x minus 1. Okay, na? So derivative is not getting. So derivative is not there. But the substitution method problem is given, means some logic is there. Immediately we can think, this is the mathematics is the one of the cricket playing. So all balls never be same. In 1 hour they will put the 6 balls only directly will put hit the 6. He cannot be put 4 or 6 we can hit. He cannot. That is the intelligently we can think and we can attack the ball. Okay, na? So I'll hit the ball. That is the type of the mathematics. You should be remember. Mathematics is a logically thinking. Then we can get. So ball is coming. He is not logically thinking. He will be out. Duck out. He will become as a duck out. Logically thinking, he face the ball. Then only he will be success. In mathematics also that's why mathematics is the improvement of the mind game. It is a one of the mind game only. Okay, na? Right, we can think. So e power of 2x minus 1 derivative is not a e power of 2x plus 1. E power of 2x plus 1 derivative is not a e power of 2x minus 1. Derivative part is not there. So logical, what is the logical we have seen. Now I will write integral of e power of x, okay, na? E power of x into e power of x. So minus 1 by e power of x into e power of x plus 1. So I will separate e power of 2x into 2 parts. E power of x into e power of x bases are equal. It should become as a e power of 2x. So then now 1 e power of x I am taking the common. 1 e power of x is taking the common. e power of x is common. Here is the e power of x. There is no e power of x. Write down in the denominator. Here also one e power of x is taking the common. E power of x. E power of x is the remaining. Here no e power of x. Denominator write down e power of x into dx. E power of x. E power of x is cancelled. Okay na? Right. Now I am writing here. Everyone observe. Integral of e power of x. Second one reciprocal power is negative by e power of x. Second one is a negative power is. Second one is a reciprocal power is negative. Second one is a reciprocal power is negative. Is it clear, everyone? Right. Now see, denominator derivative is the numerator. Denominator power is the numerator. E power of x derivative is the same e power of x. E power of minus x derivative is the e power of minus x, but derivative with respect to plus x. Minus x chain rule is the minus. Immediately we get the same. So that is the logical. So I am going to take. So not understand, I am going to once again see. So e power of x, e power of x I will write. E power bases are equal, we should add powers. So e power of x take common. Here e power of x is remaining. Here no e power of x, 1 by e power of x. Here e power of x is common. E power of x. Here 1 by e power of x because of no common. 1 e power of x is common, cancelled. Reciprocal is power is negative. Reciprocal is power is negative. Now I will observe denominator derivative is the same numerator. And now write down denominator numerator. Leave e power of x plus e power of minus x. Let it be t. E power of x derivative is the same e power of x. But e power of minus x, it is not a plus x. We are doing the derivative with respect to plus x variable. Therefore, e power of minus x is chain rule minus x into t derivative is itself derivative is the dx. Itself derivative is the dx is equal to t derivative is the 1. Itself derivative is the dt. Okay, so this is e power of x minus e power of minus x into dx is equal to dt. Right, dx is equal to dt by e power of x minus e power of minus x. Okay, now write down in this problem integral of e power of x minus e power of minus x by d. dx means dt by e power of x minus e power of minus x. Both should be cancelled. What is the 1 by t is? What is the 1 by t is? Integral of 1 by t. 1 by t into dt. That is the, what is the? T is the plus t. 1 by t also plus t. Direct we have variable is the t. 1 by t integration with respect to t is the log t. Write down log t. Integral constant is the plus c. Now t place write down. What is the assuming t is log of e power of x plus e power of minus x plus integral constant c. That is the logic. So mathematics means that is the one of the mind game. It is the mind improvement game. So we have to think. First we have to move. Mathematics means first what idea we are getting we can move. Definitely we can be solved. Next we can think means next step we can think means we can get. But remaining subject is this is the step compulsory we can follow. But here mathematics is the mind game. Right, go through the 20th problem, same model. 20th problem, same model. integral of e power of 2x minus e power of minus 2x by e power of 2x plus e power of 2x. Right, same model. Denominator let it be t. Denominator let it be t. We get the answer first. Denominator let it be t. Because of denominator, now only we see denominator derivative is the same numerator. Now only we see. Right, first. Everyone move fastwards. Right, let e power of 2x plus e power of minus 2x is equal to t. Apply the derivative. Apply the derivative. E power of 2x derivative with respect to x. Single x. E power of 2x derivative is the e power of 2x. Single x derivative is the 2x. Itself derivative is the dx. Okay na? E power of minus 2x derivative is the e power of minus 2x. We are doing with plus dx, d by dx of minus 2x chain rule. Itself derivative is the dx is equal to t derivative is the dt. Right, 2x derivative is the 2 into e power of 2x into dx minus 2 into e power of minus 2x into dx is equal to dt. Dx will common, so that is dx into 2 also common. 2 dx is common. E power of 2x minus e power of minus 2x is equal to dt. Write down dx value. So dt by 2 into e power of 2x minus e power of minus 2x. Right, substitute everyone. We get the answer. First move. Everyone move fast towards. We have to target 14 to at least 10 problems we have to be complete today. First, this is e power of 2x minus e power of minus 2x. This is the t. Dx value is the dt by 2 into e power of 2x minus e power of minus 2x. This derivative part is cancelled. 1 by 2 is the outside. 1 by t with respect to variable is the t. 1 by t derivative is 1 by 2 derivative is write down 1 by 2 derivative is. So 1 by t derivative integration is log t plus c. T means write down original function. Log of t means e power of 2x plus e power of minus 2x into d plus integral constant in the c. Right, first we have to be completed. Ten minutes is there only. Now only morning is came. Only 10 minutes is there. First we have to be. 21st problem. Integral of tan square of 2x minus 3 into dx. Tan square no integration. Tan no integration. Tan no integration. Secant square we have integration. Secant square we have integration, that is the tan x. But tan no integration. Okay na? So immediately trigonometry formula write down. What is the trigonometry formula? Is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Recollect trigonometry formula. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Immediately tan square theta means what is the formula? Is secant square theta minus 1. First write down. That is equal to secant square of theta placing the 2x minus 3 minus 1 bracket with respect to plus x variable. we have to do the integration with respect to plus x variable. Alright, separate two parts, minus means separate two parts. Integral of secant square of 2x minus 3 into dx minus integral of 1 into dx 1 into dx. Is it clear? So integration is with respect to single x, but it is not a single x. With respect to single x variable, but it is not a single x, 2x minus 3. That's why chain rule we can apply. Okay na? So integration with respect to single x variable, but 2x minus 3 is not a single variable. 2x minus 3 is not a single variable. It is the linear fact. That's why chain rule we can apply. Therefore, secant square integration is the tan of 2x minus 3 by the chain rule right on d by dx into 2x minus 3 by the chain rule in the denominator, because of integration is the anti. Minus 1 into dx is the integral of dx. So its derivative is tan of 2x minus 3. Denominator coefficient x derivative is the 1. 3 constant derivative is the 0. Integral of anti both are cancelled, plus x plus integral constant is the c. Right, everyone go through the 22 problem. First, go through the 22. Everyone, 22 problem. 22 is integral of secant square of 7 minus 4x into dx. Right, immediately go through the. I am not following the chain rule. I am following the chain rule only. Because of secant square, we have the direct integration 7x, but integration with respect to single x variable, but it is not a single x. Therefore, chain rule for 7 minus 4x in the denominator. First we can do only one step. So integration is the tan of 7 minus 4x. Right, chain rule. Why we are applying the chain rule means x, the integration with respect to single x, but it is not a single x. 7 minus 4x is not a single x. That's why it's a chain rule right now. Denominator d by dx of 7 minus 4x plus integral constant. So tan of 7 minus 4x, 7 constant derivative 0, minus 4 x coefficient x derivative is the 1. Therefore minus tan of minus 7 minus 4x by minus 4 is the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Right, 23. First, move towards 23. Integral of sine inverse of x by root over 1 minus x square. Here is nothing. Sine inverse x derivative is the 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Direct sine inverse x, let it be t. Do the first. Sine inverse x, let it be t. Sine inverse x, let it be t. First, everyone. Sine inverse x. Sine inverse x, let it be t. Its derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to root over 1 minus x square into dt. Right on. Sine inverse x is the t by root over 1 minus x square into dx is the root over 1 minus x square into dt. Both are cancelled. Integral of t with respect to t variable. Integral of t with respect to positive t variable. T also positive. Its power is the 1. Therefore, x power of n formula, t power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That is the t square by 2. What is the t means? Sin inverse x. Write down. First, t square by 2 plus c. T means sin inverse x. Sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. Right, 24th problem. We are moving towards 24th. First, we have to complete 24th problem. 24th problem, everyone see integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by denominator is the 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. Here I am observing what point is observing mean. Denominator 2 is common. I will observe one point. So take 2 is common. First take 2 is common. Denominator I am going to take 2 is common. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Denominator 2 is common. 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Now see, denominator derivative is the same numerator. Denominator derivative is the same numerator. Immediately denominator let it be t. 3 cos x plus 2 sin x let it be t. So 3 cos x derivative is the minus sin x. 2 sin x derivative is the cos x. Itself derivative is the dx is a t. Itself derivative is the dt. dx is equal to dt by minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. Right, substituting this problem first. You have to complete first. Integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by denominator is the 2 into t. dx means dt by. dx means dt by. dx means write down here. I will write downside. I will write. Everyone see is equal to dt. Downside I will write. Here is I will write. So 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by denominator is the 2t. Okay na? Denominator is the 2t. dx place is the dt by minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. Now cancel these two. 1 by 2 take common. Next first piece would only.